Namaste and welcome. In this session, we are going to learn an effective yet simple practice to breathe correctly. This practice is a very gentle one. It relaxes the body, calms the mind, and restores the balance. So, whenever we are ready, let's prepare ourselves. Find a comfortable position to sit. You can sit on the mat or you can sit on a chair as well. Gently bring your awareness to your body. Your spine is tall, stretching up, hands on your knees. Shoulders rolled back down and relaxed. Chin gently tucked in. Eyes closed and a beautiful smile on the face. Place one hand lightly on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Let's start by noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. Inhale and exhale normally. Feel the gentle rise and fall in your chest as you breathe. Stay here for some time. Notice if you feel the movement in your other hand. Continue to breathe normally. Now, shift your focus to the hand resting on your abdomen. You may bring your other hand down if you like. Inhale deeply through the nose. Fill up your lungs. Your stomach bulges out very gently on its own. Exhale slowly. The stomach goes in and the chest relaxes. Inhale deeply. Fill up your lungs. Exhale slowly. Try to make your exhalations slower, longer to experience deeper relaxation. Inhale slowly through the nose, filling up the lungs to its capacity. The stomach bulges out. As you exhale, feel the stomach relax, releasing the breath gently. Try to keep your chest relatively still, allowing the abdomen to guide the rhythm. Let's continue together for a few more rounds. Inhale deeply. Stomach bulges out. Exhale slowly, making it longer and complete. Stomach goes in. Inhale deeply. Stomach bulges out. Exhale slowly and make it complete. The stomach goes in. Stay with this gentle rhythm, breathing slowly and deeply on your own, making your exhalations slower, longer, and complete. With each breath, notice how the body is softening. Feel the calming effect of the breath spreading throughout your whole body. Notice the sense of ease, the gentle rhythm, and the relaxation flowing through you. Stay here for a few more moments, resting in this calm state. Gently relax. Bring your hands back to the knees, the original position. This was abdominal breathing for relaxation. Even a few minutes of this practice helps reduce stress and brings peace to your day. Join your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Rub your palms together. Bring the heat between your palms. Place the base of your hands on your eyes. Stay here for some time. And whenever you are ready, gently move your hands away from your face, blinking your eyes open, looking at your hands. Namaste, and thank you for joining. May you carry this calm with you into whatever comes next.